alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to this new English lesson. This lesson is for the third intermediate, the second semester. The subject is English, full blast 6. The lesson is 2D, keep it green. It's the second part of the lesson, grammar and pronunciation. The lesson was prepared and will be presented by Mrs. Atidal Al-Ghamdi. For today's objectives, we are going to learn how to differentiate between the sound and the sound. It's short E sounds. These are the short E sounds, okay? We're going to learn how to differentiate between them. And then we are going to use should and shouldn't correctly in context. We're going to use should and shouldn't correctly in a context. These are helping verbs. We're going to learn how to use them. Okay. What is the problem here? What is the problem here? Very good. We have pollution. The land is polluted. The air is polluted. So this is an unhealthy environment. We should try to maintain a healthy environment or ecosystem. Very good. Okay. Now, when we want to give our opinion about something, we use should or shouldn't. So when we are going to use our opinion, when we want to say our opinion, we are going to use should or shouldn't. Okay? Now, as an example, he says that I think governments should try to reduce pollution. I think governments should try to reduce pollution. So we have the word should, which is a helping verb. Yes, very good. And try, which is a main verb. We see that try here as a main verb, it comes in the base form. So it comes in the base form. After should, the verb comes in the base form. Okay, now look at this sentence. People shouldn't forget to switch off lights before leaving home. Shouldn't forget. So, yes, very good. We have the helping verb here. Shouldn't. And forget is the main verb. Very good. And forget is the main verb. Excellent. Okay. What is the other kind of should that we use? It's for an advice. So it's either for giving an opinion or for giving an advice. You should always listen to your parents when they give you a command or an order. You should listen to your parents. Okay. As an example, look at the boy. He's very sick. So we are going to give an advice. We are going to say, he should go to the doctor. He looks ill. He should go to the doctor. He looks ill. So should is the helping verb and go is the main verb. As we see, the main verb is in the base form. Yes, it's in the base form. Okay. Now, the girl is doing something unhealthy. You see, she has a plate full of sweets. Is this healthy for her? No. So, should she eat a lot of sweets? No. So we say, she shouldn't eat a lot of sweets. They are bad for her. She shouldn't eat a lot of sweets. They are bad for her. So we have the helping verb, shouldn't, and the main verb, eat. Very good. Eat. It's in the base form. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, let's give opinions or advices about the pictures we have. Picture A, look at the man. He's driving. Should he use his mobile while he's driving? So let's give him an advice. He shouldn't use, yes, very good, the mobile while driving. He shouldn't use mobile while driving, or you shouldn't call while driving. Okay, now look at this girl. She has done bad in her school report. She has got F's. She looks very upset. She might regret. So what are we going to give her an advice? Very good. You should study hard for your exams. Very good. You should study hard for your exams. Okay, look at this boy. Is he doing a good thing at class? No. He's sleeping at class. So he stayed up late. He didn't sleep early. So what are we going to tell him? You shouldn't stay up late at class. You shouldn't stay up late at night. You should wake up early in class. Very good. Okay. Now, this is as an evaluation. We are going to complete the sentences using should or shouldn't and the verbs in brackets. So let's remember the form should or shouldn't plus the base form of the verb. The base form is the same form that is used between brackets. We just don't add any endings to these verbs. Okay, so let's say number 1, schools blank blank tree planting days. So organize. This is a positive thing. So we are going to say should organize. Very good. Should organize. Number 2, teachers blank blank to teach students to respect the environment. So this is also a positive thing. What are they going to use? Very good. Should plus the verb try. Yes, very good. Should try. Excellent. Number 3, they blank use their cars so much. They blank their bicycles or walk instead. So we have here use and we have here their bicycles, ride. Okay, we are telling him that using cars is a bad habit. It's a negative one. And then the positive one is riding the bicycle. So what are we going to say? Excellent. They shouldn't use their cars so much. They should ride their bicycles or walk instead. Number 4, Ahmed and Ibrahim blank blank recycle paper instead of throwing it away. So this is a positive thing. So we are going to say should recycle. Mary thinks that the factory blank blank using recyclable materials. So we have the verb start. It's a positive one. Should start. Very good. Okay, number 6. Blank, you, blank, blank, charge your mobile phone's battery for 8 hours before using it for the first time. So this is giving an opinion in a positive way. So it says you. Very good. We add the helping verb, and then we're going to add the main verb as it is between brackets. So we're going to say should charge. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Okay. Now, this is the second part of the lesson, which is pronunciation. Pronunciation. We are going to listen and repeat. What's the difference between A and B? Okay. As we said previously in the objectives, we are going to hear the short E sounds. How are they going to be pronounced? Okay. Look at the first word. A. Website. We have here the sound and destroy the sound. Okay, so listen carefully.
4. Pronunciation. A. Listen and repeat. What's the difference between A and B? A. Website. B. Destroy.
Okay, now, before we start, we have to show you how to say these sounds phonemically. Okay, how is it transcribed? This is how usually it's transcribed. Okay, this is how it's pronounced. The sound, okay, and the sound. Here it is. Okay, now, as an evaluation, we are going to listen and tick the sound you hear. We have words, and then we have the word website and destroy. We're going to hear to the short E sounds and see is it either categorized under website or destroy. Okay, we're going to classify them. Listen carefully.
B. Listen and tick the sound you hear. Website. E. Destroy. I. Erupt.
Okay, erupt, is it like website or like destroy? Erupt, is it an sound or an sound? Very good, it's like destroy. Excellent. Now listen to the second word.
Protect.
Protect. So we hear the E sound like, very good, like the sound, protect. So it's website. Very good.
Decade.
Decade. Yes.
Reduce.
Very good. And reduce.
Behave.
Behave.
Metal.
Metal.
Receive.
Receive.
Regularly.
And regularly. So let's see. Behave. Reduce. Reduce. Is it like website or destroy? Reduce. Reduce. Yes, very good. It's like destroy, an sound. We hear the E sound a little bit. Behave. Behave. Yes, very good. It's like destroy. Yes. Metal. Metal. Very good. It's like website. Receive. Receive. Very good. It's like destroy. And regularly. Regularly. Excellent. It's like website. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Okay. To sum up the lesson, today we learned how to use should and shouldn't, and it comes before the main verb. It's used for two things, to express an opinion or to give advices. Okay. The reference was Full Blast 6 Students Book, Full Blast 6 Teacher's Guide, Full Blast 6 Audio, Google Clip Arts for pictures. Thank you for attending this lesson. Hope you have enjoyed. See you next time.